Hello everyone, today I'm glad to show you an economic and practical cable protected sleeve. It is polyester expandable sleeving. Here I have some wire harness, a piece of braided sleeving and a cutting tool hot knife. Look the sleeving, it's very flexible and expandable. If we cut the sleeving by scissors, the ends may fray like this. So we would better cut it by a hot knife. Here is a hot knife. We turn it on and preheat around 1 minute. Then we cut the sleeving directly. Now let's check the ends again. Look, it is neat and nice. Next, I'll show you how to install it on the wire harness. First, let's fold a 1 cm trumpet. This shape is helpful for installation. Then we insert the wire harnesses inside the trumpet, push and pull. Okay, we finished it.